Congress sues Haryana voters with seven promises. Promises MSP guarantee Rs 2000 for women, free 300 unit electricity, Rs 6000 pension to elderly, disabled, and widows. Caste survey raising creamy layer limit to Rs 10 lakh. The Congress party has released its election manifesto with seven guarantees, including promises of a legal guarantee for minimum support price and a caste survey, along with the construction of a memorial in the memory of farmers who died during the 2020-21 farmers agitation. Attempting to reach out to all voters, the Congress manifesto, named as सात वादे पक्के इरादे सात वादे पक्के इरादे, seven promises firm intentions, was launched in the presence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Haryana Congress Chief Uday Bhan, former Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda, and AICC senior observers for the Haryana polls. Ashok Gehlot, Ajay Makan, and party Pratap Singh Bajwa speaking on the occasion. Kharge outlined that the manifesto will focus on providing benefits to families, empowering women, supporting the youth, strengthening social security, and improving lives of backward classes, farmers, and the poor. We are committed to building a grand memorial for the farmers who laid down their lives fighting against the anti-farmer laws. Alongside that, we pledge to provide jobs to the next of kin of these martyrs, said Kharge, briefing about the guarantees. Congress Haryana Chief Uday Bhan said that the Congress's seven guarantees includes Rs 2000 per month to every woman above 80 years, LPG gas cylinders at Rs 500, free electricity up to 300 units on the lines of Chiranjeevi scheme, Rs 25 lakhs free treatment benefit. It also promises voters Rs 6000 pension per month for widows, disabled person, and senior citizens. Return of the old pension scheme, 2 lakh government positions to be filled to tackle unemployment and to make Haryana drug free for youth upliftment. The manifesto also promises to ensure legal MSP guarantee, immediate crop compensation, 100-yard plot, and 2-room houses at a cost of 3.5 lakh to poor families, and a caste survey to fair distribution of resources and jobs, and raising the creamy layer limit to Rs 10 lakh from current Rs 8 lakh. Reacting over the election manifesto, former Haryana CM Bhupendra Singh Hooda says, we have given a guarantee for the women, youth, farmers in the Congress manifesto for Haryana Assembly elections. Congress will be coming in the state and BJP will go on Congress manifesto. Haryana CM Nayab Singh Saini says the government which is there in the politics for the past 760 years, if they have to give guarantee for getting the vote, then do not trust those guarantee. कांग्रेस रेवड़ी बांटने का काम करती है but never fulfill those promises. Similarly, BJP National Secretary Om Prakash Dhankad criticizes Congress seat सात वादे पक्के इरादे slogan saying people don't trust Congress, which is why they have resorted to using the slogan seven promises firm intentions. Dhankad also took a jab at Congress promises to provide 2 lakh jobs to the youth. The same people who were part of the Bharati Roko gang are now talking about giving jobs to the youth. Jobs were given to the youth without any favoritism or bribes, but Congress created hurdles in those jobs. Thank you guys, and you should also try to read the